Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to dive right into the process of exporting and backing up your Slack data. It's 2025 and data security is more important than ever, so let's get started. First things first, navigate to your workspace on Slack. Click on the workspace name in the top left corner and select Settings and Administration. Then Workspace Settings. This will take you to the settings page for your workspace. This is where we start because it's crucial to understand that only workspace owners and admins can export data from a workspace, so make sure you have the necessary permissions. Now that we're on the settings page, scroll down and locate the Import/Export Data section. Once there, click on Export. This is essentially telling Slack that we want to gather all data available in our workspace and prepare it for download. You'll then be prompted to select what data you want to export. You can select all data or choose specific channels or direct messages. This step allows you to customize the data you wish to back up. Remember, your selection largely depends on the nature of your data and how critical it is to your operations. Once you've selected the data, click on Start Export. Slack will now begin the process of gathering all the data you selected. This may take some time depending on the amount of data. This step is important because it initiates the creation of a downloadable archive of your workspace data. When the export is complete, Slack will send you an email notification with a download link. Click on this link to download the exported data to your local storage. The reason we do this is to ensure you have a physical copy of your data that you can access anytime, even without an internet connection. Finally, remember to store this data securely. Back it up on an external hard drive or upload it to a secure cloud storage service. This helps us because it provides an extra layer of security for our data. And that's it. You've now successfully exported and backed up your Slack data. Remember, in this digital age, regular data backups are not just an option, but a necessity. So make it a habit, and you'll always be one step ahead in terms of data security. Thank you for tuning in, and until next time, keep your data safe and secure.